Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. In case you are not joining me live and direct, okay, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we are starting with GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M trend Neoca trading indicator. If you're having, follow up with me. Let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, starting from this support zone, this actually started an uptrend, just where we are seeing it. Okay, broke out from this particular resistance zone at this point. Okay, and of course you can see it buying more since then. Okay, so it's around another resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then we are most likely to have a downtrend from there, but for now it is still buying. So next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and just there we are seeing this has been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it's so till it got to this very last part of the trend. Okay, so and of course since it has not been able to break out from there, so it's had a pullback. I mean, it went back into a buy trend, but it didn't go more than this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. So right from there, it is having a pullback right now. We don't know how far the pullback will last. I mean, will go. Okay, so we expect it to get to this region. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. So for now, it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Okay, let's check it out together. So guys, this is Paynex 1200. This has been on downtrend for a while right now. Okay, it's been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Tried to go into an uptrend, but around this support region, but was unable to go, and it broke out below the support region around there to give us more selling opportunity. So right now, it is still selling. Okay. Let's check out Paynex 999 right away. This is Paynex 999, and of course, this started a downtrend right from here, and we can see it going down. Okay, it has been selling since then. However, it has gotten to this particular support zone. Okay, so if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. I expect an uptrend right from there since it's unable. I mean, if it's unable to break out from here, but for now, it is still selling. Wait for the right time for the necessary signal for the uptrend to pop up before you decide to buy right from there. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. So it might not sell for long, except if it breaks out from that support region. Okay, so this is very important. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is FX volume 80. Let's see what is happening right there. Okay, so I actually drew this trend line before, but it had a pullback right from there. And of course, right now, it has just crossed the trend line and it is selling at the moment. Okay, so I expect it to break out from there. Once it, at least it should get to this region. If it breaks out from here, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back up. But once it breaks out from there, then we will have more selling opportunity right from there. Okay, we should expect it to get to this region. If it breaks out from there, then of course if it breaks out from that particular spot, then it will also get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be more selling than buying. Okay, so we should take note of that also. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every aspect of the analysis, and of course apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.